Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can adjust the letter spacing of text boxes you insert into your video clips on Microsoft Clipchamp. So let us get started. So navigate your video project on Clipchamp, insert a video clip and the text box. From the text tool here on the left hand side I will go with this one. Let me change the text to spacing, for example. Oops, excuse the typo. So what you want to do is highlight the text. Then navigate to the text formatting here on the right hand side. Expand advanced here. You may of course also customize the font here, choose a different, for example, apply bold letters, italic letters, and so on and so forth. Now what you want to do is here under advanced is adjust the line height and the letter spacing. You may use that slider for that and see the effect here to the left, or enter a number here like a letter spacing of, let's say, 5 units. Press enter and you will see the result there. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.